Today's lessons I'll be showing you how to use pop-up for your landing page. Okay, before we can get into the pop-in page, let me show you the complete of this landing page. Then when people click into a button, then it automatically will go into pop-in page. So let me demonstrate first before I start the thing. So this is the first section, second, third section, fourth, and the final section here on the layout. So this is a part that the last session that we want people to going through your landing page. They have keen interest and they will click on this button. I will show you the integration, how actually you can get them come to this page, right? Come to here, this section. So when I click in this button, automatically it shows me an opt-in page. You see there's an ebook here and there's a video playing, and of course there will be filling up of name and the email address. Let me play the video. This video will be the same as what we have in the landing page. We click here automatically. Okay, let's test it out. So we test it out. So this is exactly the same video that we play, and I move back out. Let me get out again. Okay, let me test the landing page. Right. So first of all, when we test the landing page, as I say, we need to fill up the name. It's a name that we put it in. Okay, I will just put my name, and then obviously we have to fill in our email address. Now remember, our system will not take any fake email, right? So remember that, because any fake, they will not come out to download your free ebook. So this is one of the reasons why the system that we have created, it is basically, it must give us a genuine email. So I just want to show it to you so that you can understand the flow of it. So I fill up my email here, and next thing I say send this ebook. So the next thing, the moment I click this button, it will come to this page. This is where our purely rich page. They already say, congratulations, you are almost done. So let's listen to the voice. A voice here that says,
congratulations, you're almost done. You have just been sent an email with a confirmation link. Please visit your email now and click that link to activate your subscription. Thank you.
So you need to click your email for the subscription. Then it will lead you to autoresponder. Okay, that's how the system will work. The autoresponder is in our purely rich autoresponder, and we have preset the thing. I will show you later how we set our autoresponder in the purely rich. Here I'm showing you in the purely leverage in the system that where we have preset about 50 email inside here. All these are one email followed up by every 5 days we will send you an email. And people ask me a question, why do we need this? Because basically it's very simple. If you have sent to 10 people, alright, what happens if it's 100 people? You are not able to handle 100 people. That's why we use an autopilot so that the email will just go out by itself. And every 5 days, you will send out a person to log into your page. We have set all whatever we want. You can see that this is something that we set up inside here. And when we set up, we need to have a code. Let me show you form list. We already created a code. In the code that we can see from here, right? So here, this is where we need to get the code. Okay, once we get the code, then we put into the opt-in page or the opt-in coming in. What do you call that? To set this. Okay, we got to get this note here. Okay, right now we are in the back end office, so we're going to create all our landing page. Now we need to go down to template here, and you can see there is a pop-up, right? So when we click the pop-up, we got to create new. So we add new, then you see there's a pop-up here. Choose the template on the pop-up, then I probably give them the name of the pop-up. Maybe I say healer. Type in the word healer. L-E-R. Okay, so this is the name. When we click in the template that we have here. Now this template is only a pro version. If you are free Elementor, you will not be able to get all this template here unless you have a developer license. Right, and then I can show you this pop-up is not only for the opt-in, name and email address, but also for sales page. Now, if I can show you a few on the sales page, like something like this. Let's say, okay, selling teddy, right? Somebody who want to shop a teddy bear, they can click here. When they click this button here, they will lead them to a sales page. In sell more, we have a lot of all the various templates, whether property or anything else you are talking about. We can have we have this exercise, right? People want to key under the ruts and things like that. So we have all the ready template all working on this. And then let's look at something else interesting. If we just want to beautify a salon, you can go in here. This is teddy bear, just now what we have. Okay, this is the travel, right? So book your tour, right? So 30% off. So it's not only just the opt-in, the pop-up is not just only for opt-in. For sales page, promotions, or whatever you want to have, you can pop up all these sort of things. Now let's create our opt-in page. Let me choose this one. That is most interesting part. Okay, right down here, I think it's somewhere around here. Okay, this is the part here, part of my favorite actually. So this is the one. Let's look at it how it looks like. Basically, you have a page with background, with video playing, and you have the opt-in page and everything. Alright, let's go into here. Okay, we insert. So we create template, we choose our template. So you see here there is a welcome here, but I may not need this. I may do something else different. So this is the name. Okay, let's we have two columns here. You notice here, column 1, column 2. So I don't need 2 columns. Maybe I just delete 1 column. Okay, we just leave 1 column. So delete 1 column. So we need just 1 column. Then I can put in my text here. So what I do, I drag heading, put it in. Right, this is a header. But this header, I will just put in a title. So I put in like aromatic, okay, healer, Healer. Okay, it look a bit big, but we can adjust the size, we can adjust the color. Let's do style. Okay, I want color to be black, so change it to black. Go into title, typo, go into typo, then I adjust the size that I want. Okay, very simple. It's 27. Okay, the weightage, not the border. If I want all capital letter, I can, okay, it's already done. If I want to change all capital letter, I can. But because I want this small space here, right, for my opt-in page, so I can drag this column here to giving a bigger space. So I'm going to delete this one, the welcome page here, but I'm going to put the ebook. Right, let me put the book first before I go in. I put the image, drag, drop the image down here. Right, that is the image. But I don't need the top one. Let me see, where do I go? Top one I don't need, I just delete it off. Okay, just delete it off. Now I only have a book. So I want to insert the book here. So I go into book, go in my ebook. Look for my ebook. This is the ebook that I have. Insert. So I have an ebook on. Okay. So here there's some text here, some video here, everything. Now what I'll do is bigger this page is large so you can see that better. So I have the book and then I have the text. But of course, if I prepare my text, that will be much more easier. So I go back. I gotta look for my text. Right. What did my text say? This is pop-up. Okay, I just say, give me your name, right, for the free ebook. So what I do is very simple, copy this text here. That's why once you prepare, it's quite easy. So you go here, edit mode, just change this one. That's it. So you've done it. You're ready. Give me your name and email address to get your free ebook. So this is one part of it. So I want to design that the book doesn't straight come like that. I want it to be some effect motion. So what I need to do, I highlight this book, I go to style, and I go to okay, 10, center already. I go to advanced, I go to motion effect. Let's say motion effect. I want entrance animation. So I click here. Alright, fit in, right in, left, from the left going. So when I click this button, you see the book fit in there. So it's very nicely done. The book just come in and then see it from the left. Now the next thing, of course, I need to do some adjustment here because it's a page. I think we have not enough space at the bottom. There's a video here. We can expand the size here. We can reduce the book. One way is to reduce this book. I go back, compound book. Okay, I just put it smaller, medium. Some more. Right, you can reduce the size, maybe 300 by 300. So okay, I think that will be much. Let's look at again. Maybe we adjust from here. Image, maybe the width here. Yeah, so I can adjust it to the size that I want, right, so that I don't disturb the rest. You can see a complete page with everything inside. So let's handle the video. There are two parts. One is the text, but make sure that we put in the video that we want. So otherwise, when people click this one, there's no effect. So let's do this one first. It's a button. You can see there. Alright, so it came out with the light box. So the light box, I must choose a name for it. Right, so here came out with the video. But this is a YouTube. If I choose the video, YouTube, they'll come out YouTube. So, but I want my own video. So I already prepared here, the video here. In page, I think is under this section. This is the video that I want. So what I do, I copy the URL. Just copy it, right, and then I bring it over. Bring it over here. I set this out. Delete this one away. I just delete it. Right, done. And then I just paste mine. Right, so this is the video that I want. But I also want to make sure that this button also involved. Otherwise, sometimes people click, it may be say, hey, hi, it doesn't work, how come? You go to YouTube. I don't know YouTube, I need to do my own video. So after that, being said, okay, this is done, this is done, this is done. Okay, now it's here. And I say log in here. Okay, so I need to change this completely my own, where you go to my autoresponder. What I do, click here. I don't need this, but I will delete this away. I put mine. So I do the HP code. See, this is the HTML. So I drag this HTML just right below here. So it completed the HTML code. So I need to have this code from where I must get out and I go to my Pure Lyrics autoresponder. So basically this is the code, right? Under aromatic healer, and we get this code from here. Right, this. See the coding here, HTML. I click this one. Okay, so the whole thing can come here. But I also prepared this one also. I also already prepared this coding here. It's exactly the same. Formatted post, GBO. All this, the affiliate name, person name, first name, enter, all this. I can copy it over. Just to show you sometimes where do we get the code from. Basically, this is the whole thing. So when I come to here, I select all, right, and then I copy. Okay, basically that's simple. So once I copy, I go back to my page here. It's a page now. This is the page, right? So this is a page that I set up. So I need to have this code. So what I do from here, HTML code, I just paste it over. So it's done, right? So basically, you see. You can fill in the name, you can fill in the email address and send the ebook. So what we need to do, we publish this. So set condition, don't even bother already. We put in here, we say okay, all entire website, entire site. So we don't need to bother about it so much. Make it simple and easy. Let's go. Let's close it. Done. So this is completely done, and you save. So if you want to preview it, you can preview it actually. Preview here. It's a button. Okay, you will see something like this. Okay, see the book. Just refresh it again. You can see the book just fit in nicely. That's wonderful. So when people fill in the name and email, you will automatically land it into Pure Leverage. Okay, auto-responder. This is where they will go. Right, this will be the first page, as promised, and everything. So they will land into it. Right, this is the first email. Then of course, subsequent we have about 50 email to build relationship with them. And that is how we keep our database. We have come to the end of the pop-up. Next lesson, we will be learning about the integration of all the links in the section. Hopefully you have fun and enjoyed the session. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next lesson. Thank you.